I'm planing a beautiful piece of hickory. Man, what a nice chunk of wood. And here's what I want to talk about. Question I get all the time. When you're planing stuff down and you want to keep your material stable, basically what we're talking about here is mitigating the opportunity for this board to cup or twist or do anything funky. Here's the thing to think about, especially on thicker stock. When wood gets kiln dried, and it gets kiln dried well, the material should be very uniform. In other words, if we took a moisture reading and a moisture reading and a moisture reading, everything should be the same. But on thicker stock, sometimes you run into some problems. And even on 4/4 stock, the same thing applies. So part of what this boils down to is when you get to the planer, to keep the material flat, to keep it stable, to lessen the opportunity for it to cup or warp, what you really need to do is what I was just doing. Plane a face. When this comes back, flip it. Plane a face. When this comes back, flip it. This is a piece of 5/4 stock that I'm going to take down to 1 inch. What you don't want to do is get one face flat and then take the rest of the 1/4 inch all off of one face. What we want to do is take equal amounts of material from each face so that in the end, the core that we've worked toward is still in the center of the board. So what's left is what was the center of the board when we started. So it's a simple thing, it's easy to do. Just keep track mentally as you're feeding your pieces, cut, flip, cut, flip, cut, flip. And that's going to give you the most stable board when you're done. And I'm going to keep doing that to this beautiful piece of hickory so that it's ready for my project.